Hello, my people. So, real quick, I'm gonna get into this. This is something that lately, I think I read it in something from Gandhi or this like spiritual book or some kind of podcast. I don't remember exactly where I heard it, but it's really impacted me in a big way. So a lot of times we try to hit goals, right? We have big goals and we're on our way to get there. And that's fine. That's awesome. I think some of the pursuit of happiness is reaching something that you want to reach. But now here's a different spin to it. If you're not reaching your goal, that's okay. Or if you're on your way there, that's okay. But a lot of people find a lot of stress and anxiety on the way there. A lot of people find it like, this is hard, I'm pushing, I'm grinding. You know, like I'm trying so hard and I'm not getting there, or I'm almost there and I'm I'm grinding. Now, you're reaching this goal. You want to get to this goal for a reason. The reason could be that you want some kind of, material. You want some kind of freedom. You want some kind of way of thinking. You want some kind of something in your life. So, you're trying to make $100,000 a year to either have more money to live nicer, either to have money to invest, or either to buy a nice car, or to have freedom. So what I would encourage you is, if a lot of these things boil down to freedom, right? More money equals more freedom. Now, what I would encourage you is start thinking in your mind, okay, I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get to my goals. I'm gonna keep working hard. I'm gonna keep doing what it is. Start thinking, number one, that it's gonna be easy. Don't put in your mind that it's gonna be hard, that it's gonna be a grind, that it's gonna be something that's like impossible, but you're like gonna push through walls and break through barriers. Although that's gonna happen, put in your mind that's gonna be easy. I know that's a weird thing to say, but let's say, hey, I'm gonna go start my new business. Okay, it's gonna be easy. All I gotta do is this, and this. Cool, if I just take it one day at a time, it's gonna be easy. So that's the first thing I would say. The second thing that's really helped me big time is putting in my mind that no matter what, I want to think, say, and do what I want. And what does that mean? That means that everything in you is congruent. So your thoughts are congruent with your words and are congruent with your actions. So if I'm reading that every single day of my life, and what's happening is that anytime a challenge comes up, anytime something I don't like comes up, or anytime I'm like working on something, my first thought is what I do. It's basically acting upon instinct. There's this book called Relentless by Tim Grover. He talks a lot about acting on instinct, and that's how like Michael Jordan, D. Wade, Kobe, you train to gain a really high level of instinct and then just to act upon it. But to not go deep into that, it's a really important point, and it's just brought me a lot more overall excitement and joy and like, push in my life. So it's like every day I wake up, and as soon as I get thoughts, I just think, say, do what I want. It's that simple. Don't complicate it. Cool, if you think about, I want to move that chair over there. Oh, I want to, test drive that car, or I want to check out that house, or I want to call that person, or I should text that person back. Just do it. What's the worst that can happen? Course correct later. So, two things, guys. Think that it's going to be easy. You don't lose anything, whether it's hard or not, but if you think it's going to be easy, your brain is going to look for ways to make it easy for you, okay? So whether you think it's easy or hard, whether you think it's easy or hard, you're right. So you have the right answer. So think it's easy and start believing and thinking, saying, doing what you want at all times, whether you're rich, whether you're poor, whether you're white, whether you're black, whether you're yellow, whether you do real estate, whether you do online marketing, doesn't matter. Think, say, do what you want on your way to your goals. It'll make it a lot more enjoyable. Anyways, guys, hope you guys like that little tip. And look at my wall, man. I feel like I'm in Greece. One of my favorite places in the world, by the way. But so subscribe on this channel if you like what you see. Get the little bell, subscribe so you can see the notifications, all this stuff. We really want to get to a bunch of followers, not only for the sake of having followers, but to be able to push out more content, help more people. And I really want to hear what you guys have to say. If you guys are doing one of these variations of these two, comment it below. I'd love to hear your experience with it. And Yeah, guys, peace. One love.